Hey everyone, this is our pH controller and alarm, and what we have is a standard pH control module, only this one is connected to an alarm. So what happens if the pH goes in or out of range? You've got two outputs to control pumps, and these can be configured either high or low. There's a simple jumper setting inside, but anyway, right now, and I'll detail later in another video how to the settings on here. It's not too hard. There's a standard instruction sheet that comes with it. But anyway, here we have a pH and a buffer solution. It's within the range, so it's not alarming. So if I take it out of the buffer and put it into a high pH solution, 7 is the nominal. You can see it's going up to, reaching up to 7. And I'll just silence the alarm. That'll stay silenced for 30 minutes if you want. There's some settings inside that allow you to control it, but the light will continue to flash until the pH is corrected. And you can see here we have high alarm 2, and on relay 2 we've got is energized. So this would be a dosing pump adding back probably acid to your tank, or it could be used, it could, like I said, be configured the opposite way so that it is normally on and cuts off when the pH is high, and I'll demonstrate that. So relay 2 is this one. So if we there's a jumper that goes in position, so if we put a jumper in place there, then now the pump is the opposite way, but I'll leave it. Probably the more default setting is normally open, and it closes when there's an alarm. So now I'll take it into an acidic solution, and it's going to go through the range. It's going to go from 7 all the way down to very low, and it'll go through a range where it's in range. The alarm will shut off, and then the relay 1 instead will activate. So there, it's in range, and there's relay 1. Same thing with this. You silence it to temporarily mute the buzzer, and so that's the pH alarm. It's all pre-configured, and it doesn't require any wiring to set up your own alarms. It's all pre-packaged, and all it needs is to be plugged into a standard 120 volt outlet, and it's ready to go.